Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone has Snapchat Premium. And in order to do that, let's open up our Snapchat app. And guys, you need to know a thing before you proceed. That is, if someone has the Snapchat Premium available on their account, then a kind of circle with a star on black will be available on their accounts. To do that, guys, go to your friend list, and to go there at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile or your Bitmoji icon. Tap on there. Scroll down from over here and tap on my friends, and over here guys, if any one of these accounts you can see guys, open their profile. And like this guys, this one does not has the Snapchat Premium, but that will be available at the right side of it. Let's wait for it. You can see over here guys, at the side of the his or her name, a black star is available if that person has got the Snapchat Premium. And with that being said guys, if it's available on your friend's account as well, then they have got their Snapchat Premium. And this is how to know if someone has Snapchat Premium or not. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.